Hello everyone. Today is January 11, 2021. So there is one company today ay nagsisiling yung price. This company is TKC Steel Corporation. So tomorrow we need to check the price opening of TKC Steel Corporation. So by using the 20% rule for follow through play for tomorrow, January 12, 2021. So TKC Steel Corporation today, as I said, nagsiling play yung nagsiling price po si TKC. So tomorrow we'll see what is the opening price of TKC. So we'll use the 20% rule. So this 20% rule for follow through play. So how to use 20% pivot rule? First one, so today nagsiling po si TKC. So it is mentioned here that after a selling day, price must gain 20% on the follow through to signal the strong momentum. So we will see tomorrow if the opening price is 20% more than the current price, no? So what is the price today? We will add 20%. If it will open 20% from the price today, so it is a signal of strong momentum. So the second one, if open price follow through is less than 20% gain, then take profit or slice. So if ever the price tomorrow opening is below the 20%, okay, we will take profit or slice. So if open price on follow through day is less than 20% gain, then take profit or slice. The third one is if open price advance or more than 20%, then use open price as pivot. So if ever tomorrow the opening price is more than 20% of the current price, then the opening price is your price as pivot. Okay, sell or slice if price goes below open price, and sell all if gain below 20% gain. So now let's go to the chart of TKC Steel Corporation. If we see here, the current price of TKC is 1.8. So this is the selling price for today, January 11. Tomorrow we will add 20% of 1.8. It is 2.16. So supposedly tomorrow the opening price of TKC Steel Corporation is 2.16 to signal a strong momentum. This is the first rule. So we will add 20% of 1.8. It is equal to 2.16. So we will expect that tomorrow the opening is 2.16. So as I said, if the opening is 2.16, this is the signal of strong momentum. But the second rule, if ever the opening price is below 2.16, it is mentioned there that you need to, we'll go back to the you need to take profit or slice. So it is procedure number 2, no? If the price open below 2.16, then you take profit or slice. So if ever the price will open above 2.16, so mag-open man siya sa above sa 2.16, for example the opening is 2.2, then 2.2 is your pivot. Okay, so if the price will go down below 2.2, it is mentioned here in the third rule that you need to slice or sell if price goes below open price. Okay, and sell all if gain falls below 20%. So if ever the opening price is 2.2, then the price goes below 2.2, so you need to sell or take profit. But if the price will go below 2.16, then you need to sell all. So this is the 20% pivot rule. So just follow that procedure if you have a position. If you buy today to 1.8, then you need to see tomorrow if it is in the procedure, no, 20% pivot. If ever you don't have any position, then you need to follow also this procedure, because if the opening tomorrow is below 2.16, of course it is a weak momentum. So hindi po kailangan na maghabol tayo sa price. So we need to position here supposedly in the bottom. But if you have position tomorrow, just follow the 20% pivot rule. If we see the market today, this area is a resistant area, and there is a pullback of the price. There is a rejection. So we'll expect tomorrow there is a retracement of PCI on this area. So we'll see tomorrow, no? Because there is a rejection on this resistant line. So I hope you learned something about this discussion today. Thank you very much, and God bless us all always.